So sometimes, as I said before, guys, I know when my students make plan. Okay, when I read the writing, I know if they have a plan or not. I totally know that. Okay, and sometimes I read it and I don't think they made a plan because it's a little bit confusing, right? And then I asked them, hey, did you have a plan? And they said, yes. And I said, show me, I want to see your plan, because I think to myself, there must be something wrong with the plan because the writing is not very good. So I asked them, oh, show me the plan. And they say, oh, it's in my head. All right, guys. So if the plan is in your head, it's not really a plan. All right. So the plan should be in paper. Okay. And that's when one thing that I've been talking to my students a lot also is you're going to do the writing in the computer. Most people, actually, I have a student who just did the test in Darwin. And in Darwin, Australia, they don't have the test in the computer yet. So she had to do it in paper, okay? But most people, especially if you're in Brisbane or if you are in, I think, Adelaide also, if you are Melbourne, Sydney, most places you can do the IELTS on the computer, which is much better for a lot of reasons. We'll probably have one live talking about that soon. And so the reason is, so when you're doing the computer, my suggestion is ask for a piece of paper and do the plan by hand, okay? And a lot of people, they type, they type the plan, okay? My suggestion is to actually get a piece of paper and do it, okay? And maybe get a full piece of paper and make your plan, all right? And add all the ideas you want to add, and then you go and you write. Okay, so that's something you guys should be thinking about also.